Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video we are going to unbox something that I ordered. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin. Okay, so let's start with the first parcel. I have two parcels that I have to open. So let's start with the first one. So let's open this. Okay, just wrapped with the bill, so let me push that inside. Oh, bill was pinned to it. So here you go. These are the beads that I ordered. Like you might have seen my previous videos, I have used my pearl setting machine. So like I have a lot of different types of beads, but few of them is not made for it actually. Like it breaks off. I still have some here. I don't know if you can see it. This pearl bead, I got it from somewhere. I still have a lot of them, and I tried to set it using the pearl setting machine, but as you can see it is completely broken into pieces. So not all beads are made for it, so you should see the beads that are hard enough which won't break. So yes, I do have few of them, but yes, I also ordered these. I searched for the beads that go well with the pearl setting machine, and sorry, I don't know how they're packed, seriously. It is mixing up with the beads, these rivets. They've also given few rivets with that. It is mixing up with the beads, as you can see. If I just leave it this way, it will fall off. It's not even sealed properly, but okay, I hope none of them fell actually. No, it's not okay. So yeah, this is one of it. So let's now go ahead with the second package. I'll keep it inside so these rivets won't fall off. Okay, so now let's go with the second package. Okay, so it's ready. Let's open it. I wanted to get this from a long time. So here you go. This is what I ordered. These are the buttons that you can use for anything. Like if just imagine, like I don't know if you all have seen, you might have seen, but yes, in case any of your shirt buttons gets off and you don't have time to sit and stitch it, this is the solution. Seriously, it has those buttons. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, these type of buttons, and this is the tool that you can use. This is similar to pearl setting machine. You have to put both the sides in the tool and then just do it. You're done. So yeah, that is how it works. So I will surely make a video when I'm using this, so you get to know how to use it. So yeah, that is what it is. I'll open it and show it to you. So here's the tool. Oh, okay. Okay, so sorry, my phone storage was full, that's why. Yeah, anyways, here you go. This is the tool, as you can see. I don't know how am I supposed to lock it, but okay. So yes, this is how it works. So I'm sure these are the parts I have to keep those button parts in, and then directly on your dresses. And here are your buttons. I don't want it to fall off. Okay. It's completely mixed up. I'll have to sort it out later. So here you go. These are the buttons. So let me close it and show you this way. So yes, these are the buttons. You can just see the reflection of the window. I know that. Maybe this is a bit better. So yes, this is what I ordered. Let's see, I will surely make a video when I use this. So yeah, that's it. I hope you all liked it. If you want to know like from where I bought, I mean the link or anything, the product is linked to this video. It is tagged in the description section. You can scroll down and check, the products are tagged. So if you want to buy, you can check it out. So yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hello again. I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.